Welcome back to the channel, guys. So, without wasting any time, you can see, take an idea of what is the time right now. I'm here for you to solve the POTD, so you can also understand how you have to solve the previous POTD. So, let's see what does the problem say. The problem is candy, and it's also a hard type problem. Okay, these type of problems will make you proficient in DSA. Okay, so let's see what is the problem. There are n children standing in a line and each child is assigned a rating value given in the integer array ratings. You are given candies to these children subjected to the following requirements. Each child must have at least one candy, and children with a higher rating than its neighbor get more candies than neighbors. Return the minimum number of candies you need to have to distribute. Okay. So let me write down the input given to us. We have been given size of array, ratings array. Okay. Distribute minimum number of chocolates such that each gets at least one and higher rating gets more than its neighbor. If asked truly, I would say I don't find it challenging. The problem is not at all challenging. I don't think it deserves the hard category. So let's take the example of 102. Okay, the ratings of the children is 102. And directly coming to the approach, there is only one approach. Okay, so you guys also you can see, I think the best practice to practice any problem is check expected time complexity of the auxiliary space. It is given that O of n is required as time complexity and as well for space complexity. So when you see O of n as space complexity and a problem like this, I think we should use a vector or an array, okay, of n size. Okay, I say let's fulfill this requirement, each get at least one, put one in all these. After that, I say traverse from the this element. Why? Because if I start from this, then I have to for taking the neighbors I minus one and I plus one, I have to do that. If I is equal to zero, then only check the right one, or if I is equals to n minus one, then only check the left one. So without acting in that application, let's start from this. And suppose we had an array of line 5, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm doing is, firstly I'm starting a traversal from this to this side. Then I'm starting a traversal from this to this side. Okay. So that every element is covered up. Okay. The one with the two neighbors are getting two times executed, and one with one neighbor are executing one time only. So what I'm doing is take an array, fill them up. This array will be the number of chocolates with everyone with the corresponding index. All right. So at starting, complete this requirement. Everyone get at least one. One, one, one. Okay. Now it says higher rating gets more than its neighbors. Only the neighbors you have to look at. Okay. So starting from zero, you can see zero is not greater than one. Okay. We have not to increase zero. Okay. In the first traversal. Now in the second traversal, start from n minus 2 and go up to 0. Sorry. I skipped myself. So we had 1, 0, 2. Initially we are here. 0 is not greater than 1. No increment for 0. 1 remains 1. I comes here. 2 is greater than 0. So we have to increase 1. This one. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now start from there and go in the left direction. 0 is not greater than the element present behind it. 0 is not greater than 2, so 1 will remain 1 here only. This comes here, 1 is 0. Now 1 is greater, we have to check for 1. 1 is greater than 0, okay. But here what we have to do, we have not to just increment it, not. What we have to do, we have to find the max. Between what? Uh, this value, 1, incremented by 1, and the existing value. this. Like if it was A and this it was B, we have to find the max of B plus 1 and A. Fill it up there. Let me tell you, show you for the example with more number. Then I will show the test in the custom input. I'm saying, suppose the ratings is given as 2, 5, 4, 3, 7, 8, 10. Okay, this is the ratings array. I say allot 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 to each. Now, starting from here and going in this direction. 5 greater than 2, increment it. 4 not greater than 2. 3 not greater than 4. 7 greater than 3, increment it. 8 greater than 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 10 greater than 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Now, starting from here, going in this direction. 8 greater than 10? No. Comes here. 7 greater than 8? No. 3 comes greater 3 greater than 7? No. 4 greater than 3? Yes. So 4 will be equals to max of 1 plus 1 and 1. That is 2. So it will become 2. Okay. Now 5 greater than 4? Yes. So 5 is maximum of 2 plus 1 and 2. So it is 3. It changes to 3. Okay. Now 2. 2 not greater than 5, remain 1. The answer would be this 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which would be equals to 4 plus 4 plus 7, that is equals to 8 plus 7, 15. Okay, I'll show you it in the custom input field. So actually there is nothing else which should be represented here. Okay, so there is no logic here, I should tell, because I don't even think that is a hard problem. It is a medium category problem, I agree. Okay, because if you are able to see, I've not done anything extra. Let me show it to you in the custom input field. We had chosen an array of size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and our elements are 2, 5, 4, 3, 7, 8, 10. Okay, 4, 3, 7, 8, 10. Oh, sorry, I didn't write the code here. It's a late hour, so my mind is not working correctly. What we did, declare an array vector of int, let's say chocolates, and declare size of n going up till 1 and fill them up with 1. Okay, now for int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, if ratings of I is greater than ratings of I minus 1, what we have to do, chalk of I equals to chalk of I minus 1 plus 1. Similarly, traverse back n minus 2, I greater than equals to 0, minus minus, if ratings of I is greater than ratings of I plus 1, chalk of I equals to max of existing and chalk of I or chalk of I plus 1 plus 1. After that, calculate number of chocolates distributed. Int answer equals to 0. Then use an auto iterator in chalk plus equals to it. Then return answer. Let's see if it works for custom input. Working fine. 16. Oh, then I may have done a what do I say? I have done a try run differently. The code is working fine. Okay. So using the example test is given, compile and run. Working fine. So it is 90% confirmed that summit will also work fine, which will be confirmed 100% here. So congratulations, we have completed a streak of 6 days. This would not have been possible without your support. Show some love more, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep coming here for more interesting content. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you later.